Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya githomo ni thiete na mbere na kunyita mbaru tabarira ya uheani wa irio kuri arutwo aria mari thukuru-ini cia muthingi cia muingi niguo gutigirira gutire murutwo uratira thukuru-ini wagi wa irio. Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu niugite thirikari yake iri mutaratara-ini wa guthondeka mutaratara wa watho wigie tabarira ya uheani wa irio kuri arutwo a mathukuru maya na kuria oreti anyiti itemi matiganite arutani a mathukuru hamwe na aciari kuheana mawoni mao megi uria tabarira eno igukinyanirio hatari na muhinga o wothe.
What we are doing is for us to make it in a way that no one of us can go to challenge what we are doing in court or elsewhere, and that's why we are following the kind of process and the procedure that we have to follow.
Ihinda-ini riri ministry ya githomo kwitukira kanjo ya githomo ya arutwo aria mathamaga thukuru ni koretwo gitwarithia na mbere tabarira eno kuri mathukuru maria mari kaunti-ini 26 irigumagirwo ni umu kana wagi wa mbura ya kuigana kuria arutwo milioni 2.3 makugunika rungu rwa tabarira ino.
Which program is currently benefiting, I think, 120 primary schools. While there are more runners who deserve the benefit from the MIS program, the key challenge that we have faced over time has been the limited resources.
Machogu niugite arutwo 293,119 aria mari thukuru-ini cia nathari na cia muthingi kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni mekugunika na tabarira ya irio kuria thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi itanyite gukorwo irikiriirie tabarira ya waki wa mariko 17 kuria mari gicunji-ini kia 50% kurikirira gukwa kiuga andu 2,000 ni mekugunika na mieke ya mawira rungu rwa tabarira eno.
Kitchens will be constructed in various parts of the county, with each kitchen serving between 10 and 15 schools in the county.
I want you teachers to own it, protect it.
Ihinda-ini riu Machogu niugite ministry yake ni gutigirira ni mandandura tabarira eno gukinyira mathukuru maria mari na arutwo mena mawathe matiganite na aria mari kambi-ini cia thami a bara.
We are conscious of the need to use methods that are friendly to our environment. This is why we are also working towards clean energy cooking solutions for our schools.
Kuhanoguo thirikari ni yanirire kuongerera irathi 5,000 thukuru-ini cia muthingi guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria waki uyu ukuoya ihinda ria miaka 3 na kuguthira kigina gia shiringi bilioni 3.
Our partnership goes into infrastructure. We are doing 5,000 classrooms. The national government is doing 3,500. We are doing 1,500 starting this year. So every year they put $1 billion, we put 500 million shillings. And really it's the beauty of devolution is that it's a partnership.
Handu-ini ha KAMBI-INI TV jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.